Hello, my name is Lieutenant Heidi Strand, and I, along with my husband Corey, run the Salvation Army in Royal Oak. And as you see, I have this beautiful tree behind me, and as many of you are preparing, you are buying gifts for your children or grandchildren, nieces and nephews to provide that Christmas excitement. But there are so many families in our community that don't know what will be under the tree, and that's a cause of stress and pressure during this season. Well, you can help. This Friday, December 11th, between 10 and 2, we are going to have an outdoor open house in front of our building, 3015 North Main Street. You can bring a gift, an unwrapped gift for a child ages 0 to 14, and come and experience a little bit of Christmas cheer. If you can't come on that date, you can bring a gift into our building at any time. We will ask that you bring those in by Monday, December 14th. Help us spread hope this season to other families in our community.